This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi and David, good morning, good evening. This is a small announcement for a new MQ batch which is going to start on this Monday, 24th of this month. On Monday, we are going to start MQ batch in the morning timings. Morning, it is going to start at 9 a.m. and till 10:15, we are going to cover the batch. And regarding a small update regarding this batch, this is a meeting link. If you want to join for demo classes, first 5 days you can join for free, and this is the link. You can use this link for joining the classes. And total there are 60 classes will be there, and the batch is going to start on 24th. And the morning the class starts at 9 a.m. and it's 10 a.m. And in this batch we are going to cover the list of the topics what we are going to cover. In this batch we are going to cover installation of IBM MQ, one basic installation, how to install IBM MQ software on Windows, types of queues, how many types of queues we have in MQ, like local queue, alias queue, remote queue. All these things we are going to cover there. And we're going to cover the DQM concept, like distributed queue management, point-to-point setup we'll call as, and we are going to call channel triggering, application triggering, request and reply concept, multi-hopping and alias queue managers, both we are going to cover. Dead letter queue, how to use the dead letter queue, how to process the message from dead letter queue, and backward queue, how to install IBM MQ software on Linux operating system, fixed pack installation, and the migrations. We are going to cover the migrations as well, and messages backup concept, how to take the messages backup by using RFH utility, DMP, MQ, MSG, and MQ Explorer. All these things we are going to cover. And a part of that, we are going to troubleshoot MQ issues by using the logs, error logs, MQ error logs, and transaction logs. And we are going to configure SSLs, RDQM concept, high availability 2 nodes and 3 nodes configuration, multi-instance using 2 nodes configuration, disaster recovery, how to configure the disaster recovery, and the client and server configurations by how to configure client and server configurations by using MQ environmental variable and CCDT file. By using both, we are going to see. And also how to resolve the unattempted messages, sequence number mismatch. We are going to do streaming queues, which is reduced from 9.2 version, and pub and sub concept we are going to cover, and PCF commands, how to monitor by using PCF programmable command format commands we call as, and web console configurations, REST APIs, how to call the APIs, and all these things we are going to cover. How to connect the IBM team for raising the PMRs and all these things, authentications, ITL process, channel authentications, MQ clustering, workload sharing, and rank, cluster workload rank, cluster workload priority, cluster workload weight. And we are going to see the dashboards by using MQ Grafana and Prometheus, how the IBM MQ project architecture will take two projects, and we are going to see the architecture of these things. A part of the 2 to 3 classes, a part of MQ, 2 to 3 classes of IAB or ACE App Correct Enterprise we are going to cover on this batch. Okay, and this is about the MQ complete. What is the content I'm going to teach in the 60 classes, and end-to-end MQ are going to cover. Some more new topics will be added ongoing, and I'm going to explain everything in 9.4 version. Recently, IBM MQ released 9.4 version like 2 days before. We are going to cover all these topics using MQ 9.4 version. And a part of, yeah, once again, I'm saying the classes, and the classes are going to start on June 24th. And total 60 classes will be there. You can attend it for 5 demo classes. You can use this link. 5 days, this link is going to work it out. And the class starts at morning 9 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.